I wake up early. I stretch my body. I turn off the alarm. I get out of bed. I turn on the light. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I rinse my mouth. I comb my hair. I take a shower. I look in the mirror. I dry my hair. I put on my dress. I put on my socks. I tie my shoes. I apply some lotion. I wear my hat. I wear my mask. I grab my keys. I drink some water. I make some coffee. I eat my breakfast. I check my phone. I pack my bag. I leave the house. Great job, everyone! You finished your morning routine with Hannah. You learned 25 important morning routine phrases in English today. Don't forget to practice every day, even just a little bit. I will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye, and have a wonderful morning.